Hello everyone, Jeremy here from M&M 4-Wheel Suspension Specialists. I've just finished an installation of this Outback Armour kit on a Ford Ranger / Volkswagen Amarok. They run the exact same suspension, they're a very similar car. So to give you a quick review, top to bottom, as normal, really impressed with Outback Armour. The kit in and of itself is a pretty comprehensive kit. The shock absorbers are this massive 65mm bore shock. We have an adjustable spring seat here, so we can trim this up or down as needed. At the top here, if I go up, a little dial there that we can twist to adjust the stiffness of this kit as needed. Here we are looking at the other side. I'd really like to highlight this part. Again, with Outback Armour, it's the little stuff. They add this heavy duty eyelet here at the bottom, a full weld seam all the way around for extra strength. The spring seat is adjustable, not with a circlip, but a full thread adjustment. That's a much better setup than your basic circlip adjustment. So that's the front. Let's go have a quick look at the rear. Gotta say, again, Outback Armour really crosses every T and dots every I. Some big things I love about this kit, obviously all 4 shocks are adjustable here. We can adjust the firmness of the shocks, but they don't just stop there. If we have a look at their leaf springs, for instance, this is a 500 kg constant load leaf spring. And unlike a lot of other kits that will just run a couple of these little spaces here between the actual leaves, Outback Armour run these little inserts between each leaf, and they also do that right here. You can see each leaf has a little insert between it. That keeps the leaves themselves sliding nice and smoothly like they should over bumps. And we find with some of the cheaper leaf springs on the market that what happens is they actually tend to almost like seize up between the leaves themselves, and that can lead to some really harsh, stiff feeling leaves. I also like this heavy duty design here on this bottom strut mount, rather than like this stock one you can see here. It's just a sort of standard eyelet, where this Outback Armour shock is a much more robust design. These little things you see are present in 100 different ways across this whole Outback Armour kit, and it really is a great kit. Even the fact that they use these rubber bushes is something I really like. Even down to the U-bolts they use. I'm a professional mechanic. I tighten down millions of different brands of U-bolts. These ones tighten down and cinch up perfect. You don't sit there for half an hour cranking them, finally trying to get them to come down. These pull out better than just about any U-bolt on the market. It's really great. But anyway, that's a quick little review of the Outback Armour kit for the Ford Next Gen Ranger / Volkswagen Amarok. Absolutely fantastic. 10 out of 10 stars.